Want to make potato gnocchi soup inside of your Instant Pot? Then keep on watching.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're here, I'm Tara, a family nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes that are not only super delicious, but also healthy. I love the fall season. It's my absolute favorite. There's almost nothing more comforting than coming home from work and having a warm, tasty bowl of soup. We are continuing our fall soup series today. Last week we made a lasagna soup you guys absolutely loved. If you missed that episode, I will link it in the description box below so you could check it out after today's episode. Guys, we're making potato gnocchi soup so quickly inside of our Instant Pot. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards, so there is a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you're excited for more Instant Pot soup recipes, give this video a big thumbs up, grab your Instant Pot, and let's make this super easy recipe. We're gonna start with our potatoes. I'm gonna use both Japanese sweet potatoes and russet potatoes in this recipe. I love this combination together. That being said, you could use all Japanese or regular sweet potatoes or Idaho potatoes, whatever kind of potatoes you wanna use, go ahead and use your favorite. I'm gonna peel these potatoes because at the end, we're gonna puree the soup. You can save the skins if you'd like for a stock or anything else. And then we do not have to be precise here. I'm just chopping them into smaller pieces and putting them in a bowl of cold water. Then we're gonna set this bowl aside. We're gonna grab some garlic and some onion, remove the skins from the onion, and just like with the potatoes, we're not looking for a perfect dice here. You just wanna roughly chop them. I'm gonna use the entire bulb of the garlic. Again, this does not have to be perfect because it's all gonna be pureed at the end. Now let's get our fresh herbs going. We're gonna use rosemary and Italian parsley. I love this combination. Trust me guys, you have got to try adding fresh rosemary to this dish. We're gonna then set it aside. Next, we're gonna grab our kale and we're gonna roughly chop it. And then we're gonna set this aside. Grab our Instant Pot. I'm drinking this delicious dry red. Set the Instant Pot to saute on high. Add in some olive oil. When hot, add in those chopped onions. Give them a head start for about a minute or two. And then throw in the garlic. We're just looking to get a little bit of color on it. Now we're gonna toast our spices. I love this recipe because it's so simple and quick to make. Next, I'm gonna add in this rosé wine to deglaze the bottom of the pot. You don't have to use wine if you don't want to, but I highly recommend it. It's gonna add such a depth of flavor. Then we're gonna add in all of those potatoes after we drain them. Some vegetable broth. I'm just using my spoon to just kind of press everything down. I'm not stirring. Next, we're gonna add a bay leaf and grab some cashews. That's right, we're gonna add cashews. I've shown this hack before inside of my cauliflower soup episode. You guys absolutely loved that video. If you missed it, I will link it in the description box below for later. Adding cashews not only increases the protein, but it's gonna help thicken the soup at the end. Let me show you guys how easy it is. You guys are not gonna believe how buttery and creamy the cashews are gonna make the soup without adding any butter or cream. Close the lid, set it to high pressure for 20 minutes. We're gonna allow 10 minutes of natural pressure, then perform a quick release. When the pin drops, open the lid. And now we're gonna grab that bay leaf out naturally. Grab an immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, alternatively, you could transfer it to a high-speed blender. Just do it in batches if you do it that way. Look at how creamy and rich this looks. Now we're gonna grab our gnocchi. This is shelf-stable gnocchi. It cooks very quickly. I have set the Instant Pot back to saute on high. Add in that kale, along with the parsley and the rosemary. Give everything a stir. Look at this incredibly delicious soup. Scoop it into your bowls, top it with a little bit more Italian parsley and rosemary. This soup was so rich and creamy. If you enjoyed today's super easy recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. That way I'll know to make more recipes like it. If you have any ideas for a future episode, I would love to hear them. Leave them in the comments below. Looking for more soup inspiration? Click the playlist on the screen and I will see you over there. Bye guys.